We all know cats spend a lot of their time grooming. They do this to help keep themselves clean and maintain healthy skin. Grooming removes dirt, loose hair, and parasites like fleas. Also, cats can't sweat, so the saliva spread on their fur evaporates and helps keep them cool. And because the cats spend so much time making themselves look good, we decided to show them what they look like. And we got some pretty funny reactions, so take a look. For the little cats, we used this smaller iPhone mirror cam so we didn't scare them.